Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrook from MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out here checking out Harris's 2026 Sunliner 230. We got in that beautiful ceramic white with the blue accent line. You guys climb aboard and I'll show you what this thing's got to offer. All right guys, welcome aboard the Sunliner here. So this is Harris's all new Sunliner for 2026. So a lot of new features that we've never seen before. Starting with this bow design up here with the cross stitching that you have on both lounges on either side. But just like before, tons of storage space underneath these seats. And then you now have the anchor line cut out on these storage seats on either side, which is a really cool feature to have on the Sunliner. And then I'll swing this door just to show you that it is a tinted glass, so it gives you a nice line of sight whether you have this door open or closed out here on the boat. Make my way into the cockpit a little bit. Over here on the port side, you'll notice that you do have your walkway door as normal, and then you have some dedicated storage areas over here. So nice little glove box, keep things dry. The pull-out drawer right here. And then right underneath that is shoe storage, so you can pop your shoes off and just slide them up underneath there. Then one of your largest storage compartments on board is going to be your center storage. So that's big enough to have some water skis, some boards, inflatable tubes, something like that. Then we'll take a quick look over here on the starboard side. You can see you got more storage in your raised helm, which is another new feature on the 2026 Sunliner. So once again, gives you a great line of sight. Then up here is your Simrad NSX screen. So that'll have your chart plotter, engine management, everything you need while the boat's underway. This boat's got a wet sound stereo system. And then a wireless charger right there to the right of the ignition switch with your manual switches and controls for your power bimini, as well as your Mercury digital throttle. Continuing on new things for 2026 is going to be this picnic table layout. So you can see this bench here has the ability to face forward or aft, and you can take advantage of the picnic table from both sides here. And then this lounger will also move back and forth just like before, so you can slide it to where it'll face aft as well, and then you can lift it up and drop it down to make a huge sun pad back here. As we make our way back, I'll show you, you do have a large storage compartment underneath here as well. And you can use this to prop the seat back up and use this as a forward-facing lounger as well. Continuing back here on the transom where I'm at, you've got your safety rails, so you have the ability to clip these chains and ride facing aft while the boat's underway, as well as a tow bar right in front of your Mercury 200 horsepower. So you got plenty of ability to have fun with enough power to push the boat and pull somebody and have a good time. Up here, you're getting tons of shade from your power bimini, so that bimini will fold down with just a click of a switch on the helm, and you got an LED strip all the way along the top right here. Looks super cool at night. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrook.